Bienvenue à la classe. This is Technique Tips with RMJ Studios, a virtual dance studio. Today, we're looking at two very common terms in dance, turn in and turn out. These are the positions that your legs are rotated in. Notice I said legs and not feet because actually nothing is changing in the feet. The rotation comes from the hips and it turns the whole leg from the top of the thigh to the tip of the toes. So to turn in, you're going to rotate the hips inward so that your toes and knees are pointing straight forward. In this position, the top of your foot is what's presenting forward. Now that's the easy one, but turn out is a bit trickier. So, to turn out, bring your feet together in your turned in position so that the insoles are touching. Shift the weight back over the heels, lift the feet to balance on the heels, and then rotate the hips so that the feet and knees are pointing out diagonally. Here, the heel is what presents forward. It's important to remember that everybody's natural turnout is different. For some people, it might be a full 180 degrees, and for some, it might just be 45. That's perfectly normal, and it's important not to force your turnout farther than it's ready for. All that matters here is that the heel is presenting forward in the movement. And that's all for your turn in and turn out. Not too bad, right? There are some great checks and stretches for your turnout that we'll get into here soon, but for now, I'm Malone Jr., and this has been Technique Tips. Be sure to check out my full live online classes at rmjproductionstudios.com for more.